Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.system.com. Making this small video about today's activity. As I mentioned yesterday in my video, I made a video just before market opening, showing that some of those my 40-minute charts for direction, and I was expecting, those pairs move into the certain direction, and then if they do, what I do, I'll take the entries from 7-minute or 20-minute charts, right? So let's get started. See some of those charts I showed in my previous video. This was one of them, pound yen 40-minute, and I said this is what's cooking, and this thing supposed to come down from there to here, and all I need, well, I don't know, is my motto is not there. I have written here, it's like, after having a 40-minute reversal candle on a 40-minute chart, then take the entry from 7, and it's not here, but maybe as you can see some of those, like it here, see, for pound USD, you see that? So I always have this thing so that it's a reminder to me, myself and my subscribers that this is what we're supposed to do, right? So same thing here. You can see this one. What happened to this chart? It started to come down. Look, right here, right? And coming down here gave me the entry right there, and the trade was 90 pip. As soon as it started to come down, this is the entry here. This is not the entry because yellow is above the black, so that's not the condition. The first condition is that yellow need to be below the thin black one. This line must be at the time of this indicator all the way to the upside. So they were there, the condition, and a couple of more conditions, right? So all the conditions were there, and my EA took this entry here and down here. Even it bounced back here, and it still gave me 90 pip from here, from the entry to this yellow line. 90 pip here. Right now, another chart, the 40-minute chart setup was pound USD. And I said, well, this is what's cooking here. I did wave count, wave 4, wave 5 ended here. So this could be wave A, followed by wave B, and then followed by wave C, maybe to the downside once we get there. So we need to go from here, from 35.14, here 37.48. So far, when I recorded the chart, we were here. See that? So it started to go up, and then right there, anywhere from 3 to 5 blue candles, usually I get my entry. Sometimes even 2 candles right there, I get my long 7-minute long entry. And from here to here, you can imagine, right? So what happened? I took the entries, yeah, of course. And this is from the 7-minute chart for 85 pip. Not much, but yeah, still it's a good amount of pip, right? And this one from the 20-minute chart. Like I said, that it's as written on here that the wait for is 7 or 20 or both. So first entry comes from 7-minute chart. It's like a 5-minute chart. And then later on, 20-minute chart is like a 15-minute regular chart. Right? So these two entries will show up, and every time the 40-minute chart makes the reversal, it will give you either one of them or both entries on both charts. So I have both charts open on different computers, so they catch my expert advisor catch those trades, right? So this is exactly what happened. 7-minute got entry here, and that's 85 pip, and then 20-minute chart gave me the entry here, and that is also 85 pip, right? From 20-minute chart. Another chart that I can show you that this happens every single day, right? Every single day you have to set up, price move, and then create another setup, and then, well. So this one, USD yen, right? So I was expecting USD weakness, and it came, right? So what happened is that it's supposed to be coming down here, but I said, you see this yellow mark? I said that from here, or it may bounce and go either 78 or even higher to touch 57.89, and then it will drop, right? So what really happened is that it went up to 78% and then dropped. So this drop gave me three trades. First of all, the drop from this 157.60, let's say, and it came and hit here, so 155.60. That was 200 pip drop. from here to here, right? So in that, how I got the trades, let's take a look. First entry from 7, then 20, right? Remember. So first entry from 7-minute chart, it started to come down here, and then right there is the first entry, and it started to come down 115 pip. That's fine. But then I had another entry from 7-minute chart, was this one. Let's take a look right there. See that? So this is, by the way, this is not my entry. This is Omar's entry. Okay, so that's why I have two entries, because one is mine, one is Omar. Right? He didn't take the first one. He couldn't. He wasn't there, was sleeping, and then later on he took this one. But then I got my 20-minute chart entry as well, which is like this right there. Beautiful drop, went up, and then boom, 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 80 pip here as well. USD yen. You see, so just three, setup. I had like four or five setups, and out of that, three setups went my way and gave me these trades. Another one is US dollar index. I said that this thing is gonna drop here first, and if it's not going for wave 5, because it's very tricky right now, US dollar index is very tricky. It can go both ways. So we have to see that either it's going to be wave, if it is wave 1, then we're supposed to drop for wave 2 and then go for wave 3. And if it is wave 4, we're supposed to drop for wave 5 all the way down here below 3. So either way, we had to come down. We started to come down here. So I made the chart that we're going to be coming down here first. And then maybe we will go up if it is wave 1 and 2. If not, then we drop wave 5. Right? But first thing, coming down from here to here, what will happen? USD will get weaker, and then what will happen? The Euro USD, Pound USD will go up, which we saw that Pound USD went up. I took the long entry, and USD yen and USD CAD will drop, right? So we already saw USD yen dropping and USD CAD. What about USD CAD? So let's see what happened to this chart first. This is what happened. Exactly came boom to my target. Let me see if live chart, if it is there, touching the line. No, it's very close, right? So this is live chart, right? But it's right there, sitting there. But right now, no volume. It's 8 p.m. Tokyo is about to open, or already open actually. So let's see. So what happened to this? Where'd it go? So based on that, USD CAD supposed to be going down. And remember, I had a setup on the USD CAD as well. So based on that, and plus, let me see if I can show you USD CAD I have. So now the trade is here, USD CAD trade, right? It came down nice and clean. And let me see if I had the before chart for USD CAD, where it could be, if there is any. USD CAD, or two set. So Saturday, I made this chart. You see that? So USD CAD supposed to be dropping based on US dollar index. Yeah. And also this setup, nice setup. And then if USD get weaker, beautifully, it will go down, right? It can go down to 35, 35.65, I guess. Is it? Let me see. Yeah, 35.65. So did it come down? Boom, came down. And as I showed you the trade, that was the trade right there. USD CAD today coming down, give me a 20-minute entry and drop 90 pip. So you see, I had three trades in USD yen, two trades in pound USD, one trade in pound yen, and one trade in USD CAD. And these are all trades based on the chart that I showed in my previous video already. And that video was made when the market was closed, right? Before market opening, I made that video. So I had no idea that, if they're moving or not or whatever, but that was my analysis. And based on that, these trades happen. All right. So now, obviously, like USD, if right here after touching 09, I mean 0219, if it start to go up, and I will see a reversal candle here, right? And then I'll go and see that if pound USD and euro USD gonna drop, and USD yen and USD CAD gonna go up, and then I'll take the trades to the long side, those, and then short pound USD and obviously pound USD. You can see here pound USD almost have reached its destiny. Where the heck pound USD is? Right here. See that? So I said that B could be here at 23% line, but it is almost like 78%. And usually, a lot of times, what happens is that it makes the turn from 38% as well. So we already touching 78, and very well, um, it can drop right from here. This could be B. Okay, this could be B, or it may go up here. When the volume comes, you will know. Right, so right from here, if I get a reversal candle and a red candle underway, and I'll look into my 7-minute chart, and if the entry shows up, I'll take it and then show you tomorrow. Pound USD short, Euro USD short, maybe if I take USD CAD long, USD yen long, something like that. All right, so this is how I trading how I'm doing, and then almost like 5, 6, and altogether it's like what? How many? GJ short. Oh, see, GJ is already going down. Now I'm getting a GJ short alarm. I recorded the sound in my own voice, and then switched the wave file. GJ short. Instead of just the bell, that's bothering, right? And then you don't know what the heck is happening. So it means that you have to come down and then look at the computer, and then you see that, okay, which one is beeping, right? You have to read. But now this one, see, even if I'm there in the kitchen cooking, and now I know this GJ short, right? So that means pound yen is making short setup. So if I'm interested, I would come. If not, then I says, okay, let it scream. GJ short. No problem. But I'm looking for EA long. As soon as that will show up, and then I'm gonna come and then try to take a long. All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful rest of the trading week. And if you want to get the system and you want to learn all of that, go on my website here and start become a subscriber and start trading like this. First, learn. You gotta learn, right? And become a master by signing up one-on-one, and then that's all you need. That's all you need. All right. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later. GJ short. Stop recording.